Welcome to this beautiful home situated on 79 acres. The front is attractive and inviting. Savor the peace and quiet of country living. This is just one of 2 homes on this property. Enjoy the lovely stone patio area in the summer. This patio is spacious and perfect for entertaining. French doors lead to the kitchen for easy access. There are many trees and perennials. Enjoy cooking in this impressive kitchen. Entertain with ease in this elegant kitchen and dining area. You will appreciate the large, vaulted ceilings in this living room. The huge windows let in tons of light. Cozy up to the fireplace with ceiling-height tiling. The open concept layout of this home makes entertaining a pleasure. Store away all your bathroom essentials in the floor-to-ceiling height cabinetry. Enjoy getting ready for the day in this beautiful tiled bathroom. The master bedroom is spacious and bright. The second bedroom is charming with a nook for bunk beds.